Listen, car repairs get expensive, and a lot of you may or may not have the money for it right now. Let's face it, it's the holidays. So you've got to stop to consider some alternative methods of repair. We had a car in the shop recently, an 07 Pontiac G6 with 100,000 miles on it. You may have seen the video we put up on Facebook talking about it. And it had coolant leaks, and this car had a history of coolant leaks from various places over the past 2 years. It had radiator issues, which was replaced. It had some hose issues, which were replaced. It had a couple of other things going on, and now it came to the point where this poor college kid driving this car with 100,000 miles on it, now it was going to need some timing cover work in the front. It had some issues in the back corner of the head gasket. It had bigger money than the car was really worth. Enter K-Seal. K-Seal is a form of cooling system sealer that really works. We poured it in the car. The car's been out on the road now the better part of 6, maybe 8 weeks, and it hasn't had a problem. Look up more information at kseal.com. Look for the alternative.